Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about properties of pure substances, its definition and phase diagram. So pure substance are those substances that are made up of only one kind of particle and has fixed or a constant structure. Example water, steam, ice. Now phase diagram that depicts the conversion of ice to water vapor. Let us say you have ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius, and if allowed to heat, it will rise to 0 degree ice, causing rise in temperature. So temperature rise, it will be called as sensible heating of ice. Now from 0 degree ice, it won't convert into 100 degree water. First it will convert into from 0 degree ice to 0 degree water, causing phase change without changing temperature. Such a heating is called as latent heating. Now 0 degree water will be converted into 100 degree water, that is sensible heating of water. Also 100 degree water won't be convert directly into 257 degree vapor. First it will convert it into 100 degree vapor, causing phase change without changing temperature, called as, called as latent heating of water. And now 100 degree vapor is converted into 257 degree vapor, sensible heating. So wherever temperature change is involved, it is called as sensible heating, and wherever phase change is involved, it is called as latent heating. You can see in the graph that 0 to A to B, C, D, E, all these points, or minus 10 degree ice to 0 degree ice, sensible heating. On heating, temperature increase. A to B, phase change. 0 degree water, 0 degree ice to 0 degree water. From B to C, 0 degree water to 100 degree water, sensible heating. C to D is again latent heating of water, and D to E is sensible heating of vapor. As you know that heat supply is directly proportional to entropy. So same diagram can also be depicted in temperature entropy diagram. And all these OAB, BCD, CDE are constant pressure lines, and all this occur at a constant atmospheric pressure. You can see the parameters or the denotions here. That's all in this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.